Good morning children. Today we are going to start lesson 24 common words. Here some clues has been given in these sentences. We will read these sentences and we'll find the name of these birds. So let us start. Number 1. The bird is very clever. It has bright round eyes. Its call is harsh. Its name is crow. So here in number 1 you write crow. Number 2. This is a large hunting bird. It has a hooked beak and sharp claws. Its name is eagle. Number 3. This bird is small and quick. It chirps a lot. It likes to build its nest inside houses. Its name is sparrow. So here you write sparrow. Number 4. This bird has a bright yellow beak and yellow legs. It can mimic sounds. Its name is Maina. Now number 5. This bird makes a soft cooing sound. It is grey in color and has 2 black bars on each wing. Its feet are red or pink. Its name is pigeon. Now next chapter is Chapter 25. Traditional games. So children, traditional games are those games within a society that people have played for many years because participation gives them a chance to practice something that has meaning within their society. Here the names of these games have got mixed up. We have to correct and write them in their proper place. So in the first picture, the game name is Blind Man's Buff, but here it has been written marbles. So you have to write Blind Man's Buff. Second picture, it has been written Blind Man's Buff, but the game name is Hide and Seek. Third picture, it has been written Hide and Seek, but the game name is, correct answer is 7 Stones. Number 4, the game name is Skipping, but it has been written 7 Stones. So you have to write skipping. Number 5, the game name is Gilli Danda, but it has been written skipping. So you have to write Gilli Danda. Number 6, it has been written hopscotch, but the game name is marbles. Number 7, the game name is hopscotch, but it has been written Gilli Danda. So you have to correct and you have to write the name of this game is hopscotch. Now we will move to the next chapter is chapter 26. Yes, great monuments of the world. So in this chapter we are going to read about great monuments of the world. So let us start. So children, what is monuments? Buildings or structures with important past are called monuments. Something in the memory of a person, event, etc. as a building, pillar or statue is called monuments. Now see the first one. This is the picture of Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France. Next one is Leaning Tower. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Third one is, this is the picture of Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is in China. Now next is the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is in New York City, is in USA. Now next we will move to the next chapter, lesson 27, Meet Mr. Computer. So in this chapter we are going to read and learn about computer. So let us start. First one is the picture of monitor. It looks like a TV screen. Next is CPU box. The CPU is the brain of computer. Now next, keyboard. So let us read. You can use the keyboard to type or give instruction to me. Mouse. You can use the mouse to click on my screen or draw, write and play games on me. Printer. This is the printer. This is the picture of the printer. You can print whatever you have written or drawn on monitor. Now come to the next, that is question. Here some question has been given. We will fill up this. Read these sentences and write down the part of me that they describe. First one is, my face looks like a TV screen. Here the answer is monitor. So you write monitor here. Now number 2, I am used for typing. Answer is keyboard. Number 3, I help you click on the screen. Answer is mouse. I am the brain of the computer. Answer is CPU box. Number 5, you need me to print. Answer is printer. Now children, chapter 28 is excluded. So children, now we are going to start our current affairs booklet, that is in the last page of your GK book. So take it out and take out page number 2 of current affairs, chapter 1, Pride of Odisha. So in this lesson we have to name these following people. So let us start with the first one. The question is, the para badminton player from Odisha won 2 gold medals at the Para Badminton World Championship in 2019. His name is Pramod Bhagat. So children, Pramod Bhagat is an Indian professional para badminton player from Odisha, and he had been ranked world number 1 in para badminton men's single SL3. Now next, second one is, the Earth Heroes Lifetime Achievements Awards for 2019 was conferred on this member of parliament from Odisha for her initiative in peacock protection. Her name is Pramila Bisoi. So Pramila Bisoi is an Indian politician who is the current member of parliament in the Lok Sabha from Aska and hails from Chermaria village of Aska block in Ganjam district, Odisha. Now number 3, he is a famous national award winning Odisha filmmaker, Odia filmmaker. His name is Sabyasachi Mahapatra. He is an Odia film director, writer and producer. He was born in Lehedi, Sobarampur, Subarnapur, Odisha. Now number 4, this young international junior science Olympiad champion from Odisha was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar in January 2019. His name is Ayushman Tripathi. Student, he is a student of Allen Career Institute, was awarded the National Child Award for his excellence in education, and he has also achieved many awards by participating in many competitions. Then come to the next, number 5. The first tribal women commercial pilot from Odisha, Malkangiri district. Her name is Anupriya Lokra. She has scripted history by becoming the first tribal women from Odisha's Malkangiri to become a commercial pilot. She is the daughter of a police constable. She is an Indigo Airlines pilot. Now, number 6. The second airport in Odisha which opened in 2018, is located in this district. The district name is Jharsuguda. So Jharsuguda is a city and district headquarter of Jharsuguda district of Odisha, India. It is an industrial hub consisting mainly of metallurgical industries. Now next, number 7. He is the first person from Odisha to become the governor of the Reserve Bank of India. His name is Shaktikanta Das. He is a retired 1980 batch Indian Administrative Service IAS officer of Tamil Nadu, and he is currently serving as the 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India. Then the last one is which city in Western Odisha is famous for Dhannu Yatra? The city name is Bargarh. Bargarh district is an administrative district of Odisha state in eastern India, and the city of Bargarh is its district headquarters. Then the next chapter, chapter 2, famous personalities. So here also we have to identify the following people from the clues given here. So let us start with the first one. He is the Prime Minister of India. So write the answer, Narendra Modi. So children, Narendra Modi is an Indian politician and current Prime Minister of India since 2014, and he was also the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. Question number 2. He is the new Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. His name is G.C. Murmu. His full name is Girish Chandra Murmu. He is the 14th Auditor General of India, and he was also the first governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Number 3 question. He is the Chief Minister of Odisha. His name is Naveen Patnaik. Naveen Patnaik is the Chief Minister of our state Odisha, and he is also the President of Biju Janata Dal. Now the fourth question is, he became the new Chief Justice of India on November 18, 2019. Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde. He is an Indian judge serving as the 47th and current Chief Justice of India, and he is also the former Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Now number 5. This former Indian cricket captain became the new president of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, on October 23, 2019. His name is Saurabh Ganguly. He is an Indian cricket administrator and former national cricket team captain. Number 6. The Indian businessman was the richest person in Asia as of March 2019, and his name is Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is an Indian billionaire businessman and the chairman, managing director, and also the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries. So children, now we will move to the next chapter. The third lesson is sports personalities. Here we have to identify the following people are famous for. So let us start with the first one. His name is Rohit Sharma, and he is an Indian international cricketer. Now the second one is Pankaj Advani. Rohit Sharma, cricketer. Now Pankaj Advani, and he is an Indian billiards Indian billiards and snooker player. His name is Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani. Now third one is, he is Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 3, Cristiano Ronaldo, and he is an Portuguese professional footballer. Now the fourth one is, she is Deepa Malik. She is an Indian athlete and she is the first woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games. Then the fifth one is, he is Tiger Woods, and he is an American professional golf player. Then the next one, he is Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal. He is a Spanish professional tennis player and he is currently in the second rank by men's singles tennis by the Association of Tennis Professionals. Then the seventh one is Hima Das. She is an Indian racer from the state of Assam. Then the eighth one is, he is Bajrang Punia. He is a freestyle wrestler from India. He has won 3 medals at the World Wrestling Championship. Then the last one is PV Sindhu. She is an Indian professional badminton player and she is also the first woman of India to win a Olympic silver medal. So children, that's all. Chapter 4 you can read and 5 is excluded, but chapter 4 and 5 it will not come in your exam. So chapter 1, 2, 3 you read and learn. Thank you children.